Hey y'all, welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy and I'm the keeper of the home here at 4D Farms, where we are all about faith, family, home, and farm, and in that order. And we're kind of like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get. So y'all just come on in, grab a seat, take a look, and have a listen, because you don't want to miss a thing. Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. Tonight's star of the show in this meal is going to be roasted tomatoes fresh from the garden. All I'm going to do is I'm going to toss these tomatoes in some oil that's been infused with basil, fresh basil, salt and pepper, and all these seasonings, rosemary, oregano, and some sumac. If you've never heard of sumac, you got to give it a try. I also forgot to say to add some minced garlic in here. And I'm just going to stir these, and I'm going to put these on a lined baking sheet, and we are going to roast these in the oven on 400 degrees for about 30 minutes, and we'll get the rest of the meal going. I'm going to be using some of my home canned vegetables tonight from the pantry. I'm going to open up a jar of pinto beans with ham in it, get that simmering. Then in a cast iron skillet, I'm going to be frying up some dry packed russet potatoes, and we're going to fry those up. Then we're going to get some cornbread going. And this is another good southern meal, y'all. We're from the South. We love our cornbread and pinto beans. I'm just prepared it by the package direction. Those are simmering. The potatoes are frying. I want to get them a little crispy. The tomatoes are in the oven roasting. I've got another cast iron skillet in the oven heating up with some oil, because that is the secret to some crunchy cornbread on the bottom, y'all. Had to turn that light on so y'all could see. Got the cast iron skillet in there. Now we're going to get ready to pour this cornbread mix into that pan. And y'all just look at those bubbles when you pour that cornbread mix in there. It's hard to do this with one hand, y'all, but I think I finally got it. Y'all see those bubbles? That is already frying the bottom of that cornbread, and that's your secret to getting a crispy crust on the bottom of your cornbread. So we're going to put this in the oven to be roasted, to be baking along with those roasted tomatoes. Still frying those taters. They got good and crispy. Those are simmering. Tomatoes are roasting. Cornbread's almost done. And then I want y'all to look and see how this cornbread turns out. Have y'all seen some pretty cornbread like that lately? Good and crunchy on the bottom. Held together. Mine and dear hubby's plate. Now we're going to start plating up our vegetables. I like putting pinto beans on top of my cornbread, but for the sake of y'all seeing everything, I waited until, nope, I went ahead and did it. I smothered my cornbread, y'all, with some pinto beans and ham. And there's the crispy potatoes. There's your roasted tomatoes. Y'all have got to give this meal a try. Put all of your canned vegetables to use, the garden vegetables to use, and y'all go try this meal. I hope you enjoy it. I will see y'all in the next video.